See, I can catch some air right here. Watch this. Yeah. Yeah, you can't go much faster than that. I get some damage. I'd say biggest speed bump in a neighborhood. Most annoying speed bumps in any neighborhood on the Grand Strand, it's got to be Deerfield. One time I was driving a smaller vehicle and I got stuck. I had to get a tow truck. I was teetering on a speed bump.
No joke.
No, I am joking. But they're that big that you believe me.
Action there?
Yeah, a little audition interview. Not sure what'll happen. For town people would know. Asking me questions about myself and about the town.
Which could possibly lead to like an episode of a show that someone might watch?
Exactly. We will see. Not sure if I should cross my fingers or not.
So we're headed over to meet a seller of a property I'm getting ready to list, and the name of the place she works is Christian Mission Outreach, and they apparently have been in existence here on the Grand Strand for over 30 years. They feed homeless and disabled and veterans twice a week, and so we're going to meet Miss Maxine here at the church on 62nd Avenue. And so hopefully learn something about a very cool ministry here along the Grand Strand.
Hello, I'm Jim McManus. I'm the Director of Christian Mission Outreach here in Myrtle Beach. For 36 years, we've been doing what Christ taught his followers to do, and that's feed the hungry, taking care of the least of these, as he said, and so we continue to do it. And certainly we're always looking for volunteers to help us distribute food to the needy, and people to take applications, and we always need some financing too, whatever it is. Christian Mission Outreach is located at 962nd Avenue in Myrtle Beach. Some people think I'm saying 67th. 62 Avenue North in Myrtle Beach, and we're open for a distribution of food on Tuesday and Thursday from 11 till 2 o'clock. And then emergencies, if you have emergencies, we'll be happy to help people at any time, okay? We'd love to have you to come by. God bless you till then.
So two listings in 2 days?
Yeah, so Tuesday, 2:20, another listing taken, so we got 2 for the week, with 3 to go. What's happening now is I'm selling more listings a month than I'm taking, or it's close. So just the pace right now is really good on the inventory. They're moving, so it's important as the leader of the company to continue to have good quality inventory. And so that's the name of the game, is getting good quality inventory for us to sell and help our people sell their homes.
Right now we are standing on a lot that we have for sale. It is 1 block from the ocean, right down here in North Myrtle Beach. Just a block off the ocean, very close to North Beach Plantation. Very desirable here. You can hop on your golf cart and go right down to the beach access. You could even walk. I do believe there are some benefits of building your own home. I mean, you have the ability to customize your home if you want, specific showers, or you have specific bedrooms, porches, all kinds of stuff that you can customize yourself. I think there are a lot of properties still, vacant land that is still available here in Myrtle Beach.
So we're going to Brandy Mill and sold a house to an investor, and he's closing in a day or two, and he wants to go look at it with me and kind of get some ideas on what we're going to do before we list it. What kind of rehab is he going to do to get it marketable. In the meantime, I've got another house in Brandy Mill that's just yeah, I talked to the lady in the past, but I talked to her today, and this might be another one for him in that neighborhood. I'm not sure if the margins are going to be good enough, but we're meeting her first. I'm going to get the key and do a quick walkthrough of that one, and then meet him at 3:45. I'm going to pick up the key to the house that he bought also. So picking up 2 keys and meeting the same guy, and maybe showing both. You know, how many people do you think are going to stop and see that sign? You know, grass is growing over the number. Just another example of why homeowners end up I think it's up to 88-90% of all for sale by owners end up listing with an agent. And I never blame someone for trying, but look, I mean, there's no way you cannot see that phone number there. It's buried with the grass. But anyway, I thought that was an interesting for sale by owner sign. Well, we're getting ready to go meet my investor at a different property. I think I'm going to bring him back over here, hopefully. Yeah, I'm going to take a look. So I'm waiting for my investor buyer to come and see this house that he's purchasing. In fact, I think he's closing in a couple days. He's never seen it. His contractor and myself have been in here, so he's buying it sight unseen. He's coming today. So I had just waiting on him. I was thinking about, I get a lot of questions about handyman specials or flipping a house. And so right now in a rising market in the Grand Strand, in a competitive market, you've got fewer flip opportunities and the same or more people trying to get them. Certainly in a down market, there's more opportunities. A flat market, there's opportunities. There's always opportunities. Here's my advice. Let's say you and your partner or you and your wife, your spouse, don't mind rolling your sleeves up. You're handy, you could buy something and move in and fix it up, and you're okay with that. There are always those deals out there. My advice would be, if you have an agent, let them know that that's what you're looking for, because they may find stuff before it goes live on the MLS. They may hear of sellers that want to sell as is, and then there's a discount. If it hits the MLS, even if it's in poor condition and it's priced really well, you're going to end up competing for it, and you don't want to compete as an investor. You want to be the only one going after that property. So I would encourage you, if you want to work with me, tell me that that's who you are, and we can keep you on the short list. But if you have an agent, they need to know that you're that buyer, and so you'll be top of mind when they come across something. Very important. No, but I mean, just from efficiency, man, if I can meet somebody and then have the same neighborhood, I always try to book appointments where I can see 2 people or see 2 opportunities close to one another. Always looking for that. Read the email. So is this
Future's
okay?
so bright he's got to wear shades and readers.
Readers.
There we go.